All right, everybody. Hey, we've got the biscuits out. I got a homemade Dutch oven thing we're going to try. We're going to put the biscuits on the grill here. We're going to try it. I got a homemade Dutch oven going on. We're going to try to cook these here on this with this. And we're going to put this like this. Put that over in the fire. And put this over this. Might have to put another piece of tin foil over that.
So explain to the audience how you made this Dutch oven.
You know, I just kind of thought it up. We'll just see how it works.
So this is our awesome grill from the 99-cent store. You put the charcoals underneath the aluminum foil, let them burn down, covered it with the aluminum foil so it would force the heat to the right side of the grill, and then you put the cover over it to make it a Dutch oven.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Either they'll bake or they'll burn. One of the two. So either we're going to have biscuits with our Dinty Moore stew.
Homemade Dinty Moore stew.
Yeah, homemade Dinty Moore stew. Yeah, homemade Dinty Moore stew. Or we're going to have burnt biscuits and just Dinty Moore stew. So we'll find out.
Well, hey, if they're burnt, you can always put them in the Dinty Moore stew. Well, it depends on how you burn them.
Hey,
so.
Biscuits are biscuits. You know what I'm saying? Hey, thanks a lot for hanging with us, guys. We'll see you next time.